go into Kemet's 10th dynasty. This is the era between 2160 years to 2130 years before Christ is born. Here we see the reign of King Neferkare, who is followed by King Keti III, who is then followed by King Merikare, who closes off the 10th Kemetic dynasty. Now we enter Kemet's 11th dynasty, also known as the Theban dynasty. This is the era between 2130 years to 1991 years before Christ is born. Here we see the rule of 5 kings before the city of Thebes, or Waset, becomes the capital of Kemet. Here we see the rule of King Tepa Mentuhotep I. He is followed by King Seher Towi Intef I. Then we see the rule of King Wahang Intef II, followed by King Nang Netebeb Nefer Intef III, followed by King Nebetepre Mentuhotep II, who reunites Kemet in the year 2040 BC. Then, after the rule of these 5 kings, we see the city of Waset, or the city of Thebes, now becoming the capital of Kemet. After this event happens, now we see the rule of Queen Ashayet, the great royal wife of Mentuhotep II. Then we see the rule of Queen Kahwit, who is the great royal wife of King Mentuhotep III. Then we see the Asiatics being driven from Kemet's eastern delta by our pharaohs and kings. Then we see the re-establishment of a strong central monarchy in Kemet. We see the construction of a distinct rock-cut tomb, which is surmounted by a pyramid in Waset, or at Thebes. Then we see King Sankare Mentuhotep III going on a major expedition to Punt, or the Somali East Coast. Then we see the rule of King Nebtore Mentuhotep IV, who reigns briefly. After him, we see then Amen Nemhet, who's a vizier or high executive. He's a high officer of Kemet during the reign of Nebtowi Mentuhotep IV. Then we see the widespread democratization of Kemet's religious beliefs. Important gods during this period who were observed were Amen, Hathor, Montu, the great Osiris, and Re.
So, tribe, support our Sons of SOU channel. You know we're bringing the light. Like. Because you care, share. And don't wait another moment. Comment. So, tribe. Subscribe. Let us know Mambo on our socials below. Sawa? Kwaheri, So tribe.